The Mi A1 still remains a fond smartphone in the hearts of many Android purists, camera enthusiasts, and audiophiles as it provided all of those in a very affordable and attractive package. Mi A1 was basically a Mi 5X that ran on stock Android. Now 1 year later we have the Mi 6X, the successor to the Mi 5X, and we just happen to have a unit for unboxing. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas. Let's take a closer look at the box and its contents. The box is very much in typical Xiaomi fashion with the Mi logo on the top right corner and 6X insignia at the bottom left in a nice gradient color. Very minimalistic, but that's probably because what's inside matters more. The 6X is currently available only in China, hence why there's certain characters in Chinese. Inside the box you find a pouch that contains the documentation, a SIM ejector pin, a smoke black transparent TPU case, and most notably a USB Type-C to audio jack, since the phone itself lacks a 3.5mm audio jack that was there in its predecessor. Below that you find the 6X itself in a black color, which is why we received a black TPU case as well, and finally you get the USB Type-C cable and charger that's rated 5 volts at 2 amperes. The box and its contents should remain exactly identical whether or not Xiaomi decides to bring it to India, and the only thing that would possibly change is the plug, which would become a round 2-pin charger. The Mi 6X runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box with MIUI 9.5 on top of it. The variant we have is powered by a Snapdragon 660 octa-core chipset and has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. There's another variant with the same processor and storage but 6GB of RAM. We're guessing that the Mi 6X or Mi A2 will be launched in India at approximately 17,999 rupees for the base variant and a premium of 3 to 4K for the 6GB model. It's just a guess though, and no exact price or release date is known yet. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next one.